this?
No. Do you want to do an intro?
No, I want to get paid.
If y'all want to see how my mom did my hair this way, stay tuned.
No.
No?
I want money. Like, I'm in the video. Should I not get paid?
Hell to the no. You got a free hairdo, didn't you? Alright, y'all see today I am braiding my daughter's hair as I'm always braiding her hair. Today we're doing feed-in cornrows with the knotless braids in the back. So y'all, as I stated, y'all already know I'm always doing my daughter's hair. So y'all, I don't know if y'all ever watched this young lady on TikTok. I believe her name is Raquel. She always says like, parent check-in, you know, what y'all doing for these kids today? Child, I'm always doing my daughter's hair. And she feel like I'm the only hairstylist that she know. But baby, did she get cut off this year. My daughter literally got her last hairstyle braided, and I no longer do her hair anymore. Somehow she feels that I am her hairstylist, and because I'm her mom, I have to do her hair. But it doesn't work that way. So which one of y'all go through the same thing I go through, where your daughter feels that you have to do everything for them just because you're the parent? Now y'all, I'm not gonna do too much talking on this video. I'm gonna just kind of let y'all watch and see how I created this style. Some of my video was cut out because in the front I definitely had showed how I finished the front, but somehow I don't know where that video went at. But y'all watch me braid her hair and see, you know, how it comes out in the end. Alright y'all, we currently moved to the back where we're doing the knotless braids. But yeah y'all, let's continue to finish this, and y'all make sure y'all subscribe, like, share this video. If y'all made it this far to the video, y'all kind of already know what to do. All right, y'all, we finishing up on this style. I'm gonna pretty much take her do-rag off, and her hairstyle is gonna be done. Before you know it, the finished look is gonna be coming up. It actually came out pretty cute, and how neat it looked. Look at her trying to act like she's shy. She ain't shy. But y'all, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.